this works or not.
Okay, so number one on the worksheet. Okay, so you have table tennis. You're playing table tennis. Says the path of a table tennis ball after being hit and hitting the surface of the table can be modeled by that function. Okay, it's h equals negative 4.9 t and t minus 0.42. Okay, that's our equation that we're given. It says where h is the height in meters above the table and t is the time in seconds. And how long does it take the ball to hit the table? Okay, if the ball hits the table, what's your height? 0. That's like at the bottom. Okay, so at the table, height is 0. Okay, so we have to plug in a 0 for h to figure out our height. Okay, that should look just like stuff we factored before. It's already factored for us, really. But they're decimals. Okay, that's the only thing that's different. So you can sit here and ask yourself, what if I plug in something for t here, what can I plug in to make a 0? Well, a 0. Okay, that's not going to tell us how high it is. Okay, what about this one? What's going to make this piece equal 0? Well, let's set that equal to 0. Okay, well that's going to give us t equals 0.42, and that's in meters. So it's going to hit the table, oops, not in meters, sorry, that's in seconds. It's going to hit the table after 0.42 seconds because I figured out where 0 was. Okay, all of them are going to have something similar to that. Okay, now the other part of the question was, what's the ball's maximum height? Okay, well we're going to have to change this into standard form, and then you're going to have to use negative b over 2a. So you're going to have, if I multiply that out, h equals negative 4.9 t squared minus, it'll be a plus, anybody multiply that out already? 4.9 times 0.42, it's like 2.06. Caleb with you right now, when you change it to standard form.
What?
You guys have it written down. 0.42 times 4.9 would be 4.9.
2.058.
2.058 t. So that's our standard form of the equation. And I just got that by multiplying that out. Okay, simple as that. So now I have the equation of a parabola. And I know to find my vertex, or my maximum or minimum, I have to use this. Okay, so I can use that because I have a b and an a there. So my b is going to be negative 2.058 over 2a, which is negative 4.9. So you put that in your calculator. Okay, so we get x equals, I think it's 0.21.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get x equals 0.21. That's not your maximum or minimum point because your max or min is associated with your y. So we take that and plug it back into our original equation right here, okay, to get our h out, I guess. So it's going to be negative 4.9 times 0.21 squared plus 2.058 times 0.21. That gives me h. Because we're trying to find our height. Okay? And did you guys get an answer for that? What do you get after you multiply that out?
I don't know if I did it right, but I got like 1.08045.
That's big.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it in the calculator. Okay, so negative 4.9 times 0.21 squared plus 2.058 times 0.21 gives you 0.216. That's in meters.
That's just one answer.
That's, well, we got both of our answers on there. Okay, because that tells you how high it went, and this tells you how long it took before it hit the table.
Okay.
So I think 1, 2, 3, and 4 are similar to that. I gotta move it down, Andrew, that way you can get it. There. Right there.
You got it.